Good evening. Today I discuss some problem on probability distribution. Okay. Suppose first problem is problem number 1 is so that a function f equal to modulus of x in -1 to 1, okay, and 0 elsewhere, okay, is a probability density function, is a PDF, probability density function, okay, and find the distribution function of fx, and find the distribution function of fx, So what is probability density function? We have to prove fx equal to mod x in the interval -1 to 1 is a probability density function. Okay. We know that what is if the fx is probability density function, then for all value of x, fx greater than equal to 0, and since this is the continuous random variable, because probability density function, we have to prove the probability density function. So minus into infinity fx dx equal to 1. If we show this, then this is the probability density function. So before this, we know what is the modulus function, mod of x. Mod of x equal to, we know that mod of x equal to minus x when minus infinity, when x less than 0, when generally x less than 0, equal to x when x greater than 0, and equal to 0 when x equal to 0. Okay, this is the modulus function. So given function fx equal to mod of x in x is -1 less than x less than 1 and equal to 0 elsewhere. Okay, this is the given function. So we write, that is, we write that fx equal to, because the interval is -1 to 1, so fx equal to, we know, write minus x when -1 less than x less than 0, equal to x when 0 less than x less than 1 and equal to 0 elsewhere. This is the fx. Okay, this is the fx. So clearly we show that, clearly we see that fx greater than equal to 0, fx greater than equal to 0, because x when the positive value of x, when negative value of x minus x, if the minus up, the minus into minus up plus up, so fx, we should show this function fx is greater than equal to 0. Next we prove that minus infinity to infinity fx dx is equal to 1. Okay, next minus infinity to infinity fx dx equal to, we have to prove this equal to 1. So this equal to, write that minus infinity to -1 fx dx plus -1 to 0 fx dx. क्योंकि interval है, this is the interval, this is the minus infinity, the -1, 0, 1 and plus infinity. Okay, this is the interval. So first minus infinity to -1, this value is 0 because 0 elsewhere. Okay, 0 elsewhere. -1 to 0 value is minus x, 0 to 1 value is x, and 1 to infinity value is 0. Okay, so minus infinity to 0 fx dx plus 0 to 1 fx dx plus 1 to infinity fx dx. Okay, this value is 0, first value is 0, minus infinity to 1 is 0 elsewhere, plus 0 to 1 what is the value of fx in the sorry minus 1 to 0, first minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, what is the value of minus 1 to 0? Minus x, minus value of fx is minus x dx plus 0 to 1 x dx plus 0. Okay, next this integrate this minus x का integration minus x square by 2, so minus x square by 2 minus 1 the lower limit, 0 is the upper limit, and x square by 2 1 and 0, so this equal to minus 0 बैठा पहले 0 minus half plus half, that is half plus half, then minus into minus plus and plus half equal to 1. Therefore fx is a probability density function. Therefore fx is a probability density function. Okay, density function. Next, first question is proved that fx is a probability density function. Next we prove that find the distribution function. We know that distribution, how to find distribution function. So second question, distribution function. When fx equal to extra range minus infinity less than, so in which range with the distribution function? First we range minus infinity to minus 1, minus infinity to 0, minus infinity to 1, and minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity is 0, minus infinity to minus 1. So minus infinity less than x less than minus 1. Then distribution function capital F small x equal to minus infinity to x fx dx equal to 0, because in the interval minus infinity to minus 1 fx value is 0. Okay, second, when minus 1 less than x less than 0, then fx equal to, we write fx equal to minus infinity to starting every time we starting minus infinity to x fx dx. We write this equal to, we write that minus infinity of minus 1 fx dx plus minus 1 to x fx dx. Okay, this value is 0, this value is 0, and minus infinity to x, what is the fx value? Minus x. So this equal to minus x square by 2 x minus 1, that equal to, calculate first value of x minus x square by 2 minus 1 plus half, that is we know that half common value x square minus 1. Okay, when the value is minus 1 to 0, then the value distribution function value is half into x square minus 1. Next, when the value is 0 to 1 and the value is 1 to infinity, we find the distribution function. Okay, next, when the value of when the value is 0 less than x less than 1, then the distribution function fx is starting from minus infinity to x fx dx is equal to minus infinity to minus 1 fx dx plus minus 1 to 0 fx dx plus 0 to 1 fx dx. Okay, 0 to x fx dx. Okay, starting from every in discrete unknown variable, that is the probability mass function comes, then add first time add to probability x equal to 0, probability x equal to 1, and so on. In this case also continuous distribution, that is probability density function also, this is the same. Okay, every time starting from minus 2 to 8. So this value is 0. Okay, and minus 1 to 0 fx value is minus x dx plus 0 to x fx value is 0 to x dx, that is this equal to 0 plus 0 plus, that is 0, that is this is the minus x square by 2 0 to minus 1 plus x square by 2 x 0, that is this equal to 0, that is half plus x square by 2, that is this equal to half x square plus 1. Okay, and the value, when the value of x equal to 1 to 1 less than x less than infinity, then value of fx equal to minus infinity to x fx dx, that is minus infinity to minus 1 fx dx plus minus 1 to 0 fx dx plus 0 to 1 fx dx plus 1 to x fx dx. This value is 0 and this value is 0 and this value is half and half, that is equal to 1, because we already proved in the probability density function, that is minus infinity to infinity probability of fx dx. Therefore the probability density function is, therefore the probability density function is, therefore the distribution function is fx equal to 0 when minus infinity less than x less than 0 equal to half 1 minus x square when 0 minus 1, sorry, minus 1 less than x less than 0 half x square plus 1 when 0 less than x less than 1 and equal to 1 when 1 less than x less than. This is the probability distribution function of the mod x. Okay. Next, one example: if a random variable x, if a random variable x has mean m, if a random variable x has mean m and standard deviation sigma, so that first e of x minus m by sigma whole square equal to 1, and second e of x minus m by sigma equal to 0. ये दोनों प्रूव करना. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज द गिवन कंडीशन? गिवन मीन इक्वल टू m, गिवन मीन व्हाट इज द मीन इक्वल टू m, that is e of x equal to m. This is the mean, and standard deviation equal to sigma. Therefore variance equal to sigma square, because the positive square root of variance is called standard deviation. So if standard deviation is sigma, then variance is obviously sigma square. This is the given condition. We have to prove the first one, the e of, we know the property of expectation, everyone know that. Okay, so e of x minus m by sigma whole square. Okay, so we write a minus b whole square formula, so x square minus 2xm plus m square by sigma square. Okay, so this equal to, we write that 1 by sigma square is outside, because e of, as we know that e of ax equal to, we know that a into e of x. So by use of this property, this is the constant sigma square. So 1 by sigma square outside the e. So 1 by sigma square into e of x square minus e of 2xm plus e of m square. Okay, because as we know that also e of x plus minus y equal to, we know that e of x plus minus E of y. Okay, so this equal to, we write that 1 by sigma square E of x square. What is the E of x square? Variance equal to sigma square. So देखो variance, what is the variance? We know that variance of x equal to f sigma square, and variance of x means E of, third property, E of x square minus E of x whole square equal to sigma square. So E of x square equal to, what is the value? E of x मतलब mean, that is m square plus sigma square. Sure. Since variance is sigma square, we know that variance of x equal to sigma square. So variance of x means E of x square minus E of x का whole square equal to sigma square. E of x, that is mean, तो उस साइड चला गया m square plus sigma square. तो E of x square equal to m square plus sigma square. Okay, minus 2m outside constant, because 2m is constant. E of x equal to already m plus E of constant equal to constant square, that is 1 by sigma square m square 2m square, that is हम और एक बार लिख रहा हूँ, m square plus sigma square minus 2m square plus m square. तो 1 by sigma square into sigma square equal to 1, because m square plus m square minus 2m square. So sigma square cut gaya. So first one is proved. And second one is very easy. What is the second one? Second one is E of h minus m by sigma. So 1 by sigma outside of E of h minus m, that is 1 by sigma E of x minus E of m. E of m is constant, so 1 by sigma E of x equal to m, and E of n E of constant equal to constant, that is 0. So, okay, so second one is very easy. First of all, this is the variance of x equal to sigma square. So we variance of x equal to, know that the properties of variance of x in 3, E of x square minus E of x whole square equal to sigma square. So E of x square equal to m square and sigma square, because given the mean is m. Okay, so m square plus sigma square, put this value in E of x square, then easily prove. Okay, next, find the mean of the probability when the given the probability mass function is given. How to find the mean? Okay, so example 3, find the mean. Also you find the variance also. The homework you can the variance. Okay, find the mean. Find the mean of the following distribution. Of the following distribution. Okay, क्या है for distribution? Distribution is given by fi equal to 1 by 1 plus mu, okay, into mu by 1 plus mu whole to the power I, okay, whole to the power I, but obviously mu greater than 0 and I equal to 1 2 0 से start 0 1 2 and so on. Okay, and xi equal to I. Okay, here we have to find the mean of the distribution. So first of all, how to know this is probability, this variable is the discrete random variable or continuous random variable? Because देखो, the value of I is in 0 to the power 0 1 2, so this is the discrete, because the value is given in the point. Okay, so this is the discrete random variable, because when continuous random variable, the variable is in the interval, so this is the discrete random variable. So here we have to find mean. Okay, what is the mean? Mean, we know that mean equal to E of x. E of x equal to summation of I equal to where the value I starting from 0 to infinity. Okay, 0 to infinity. IFI. Why we write IFI? We know that in the discrete random variable Ex equal to summation x fx dx. X fx is the px is the probability mass function, because x equal to I, xi equal to I, so we write that IFI. No problem. Okay, next summation I equal to 0 to infinity. What is the value of fi? I. And what is the value of fi? Fi is 1 by 1 plus mu, and mu by 1 plus mu whole to the power I. Put the value. Okay, so here we write that 1 by 1 plus mu is not depend on I, so this term outside of summation. Okay, so we write this equal to 1 by 1 plus mu summation I equal to 0 to infinity I mu by 1 plus mu whole to the power I. So we put the value of I. Okay, so this equal to 1 by 1 plus mu. First put the value of I equal to 0. If put the value of I equal to 0, then first term is 0. Second term is I equal to 1. 1 into mu by 1 plus mu plus 2 into mu by 1 plus mu whole square plus 3 into mu by 1 plus mu whole cube, and so on. Okay, we just put the value of I equal to 0, I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, and so on. Okay, next 1 by 1 plus mu, and we common the term mu by 1 plus mu. Okay, mu by 1 plus mu. So what is the in the bracket? This is the 1. Mu by 1 plus mu 1 plus 2 into mu by 1 plus mu whole square. Whole square. Oh, sorry, this is the square. So this is the 2 into mu by 1 plus mu. Okay, plus 3 into mu by 1 plus mu whole square, and so on. Okay, just we common the term mu. This is the first term is 0, so no problem. So common mu by 1 plus mu. So mu by 1 plus mu common ले से this term is 1. Mu by 1 plus mu common, so 2 into mu by 1 plus mu whole to the power 1. 3 into mu by 1 plus mu whole square, because mu by 1 plus mu is common. Then this is the mu by 1 plus mu whole square. Okay, this term is mu by 1 plus mu. Sorry. This term is, we write that mu by 1 plus mu whole square. Okay, and this term is 1 minus mu by 1 plus mu whole to the power minus 2, because as we know that 1 minus x to the power minus 2 equal to 1 plus 2x square plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube, and so on. Okay, because the formula we know that 1 minus x whole to the power minus 2 in binomial theorem, negative binomial theorem, 1 minus to the minus 2, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube. So if we put mu by 1 plus mu equal to x, then this is the 1 minus mu by 1 plus mu whole to the power minus 2. Okay, so this is the mu by 1 plus mu whole square into this term is 1 plus mu. This is the 1 plus mu minus mu whole to the power minus 2, minus mu plus mu cancel. So this is equal to, we write that mu by 1 plus mu whole square into, this is the minus 2, if plus, and then this is the 1 plus mu whole to the power whole square, because as we know that 1 by x to the power minus 2, we write this is the x square. If x equal, then x square. Okay, so this is the cross, is equal to mu. Okay, therefore mean is mean equal to mean. Okay, clear? Everyone clear? Okay, just remember this formula. Then this is the easy, very easy. Okay, first mean equal to ux, I equal to 0 to infinity I fi. Then I put the value of fi, because 1 by 1 plus mu is not depend on I, so this is the outside of this, and we have put the value of I. Okay, and this mu by 1 plus mu is common. Then this formula is 1 minus mu by 1 plus mu whole square. So calculate this. This is equal to mu. Okay, this is the. You find also variance. We know that variance equal to e of x square minus mu whole square, because mean is mu. So we have to find only e of x square. When e of x square, then I square fi. Put the value I square fi. Okay, and to try this. Okay. Last one example. The radius of a circle of the has distribution given by the probability density function fx equal to 1 and 0 in the range 1 less than equal to x less than 2 and h. Find the mean and variance of the area of the circle. देखो, note that the radius of a circle is given PDF. The PDF of the radius of the circle is given, and find the mean of the variance of the area of the circle. So everyone know that if radius is r, then area of the circle is pi r square. Okay, so let x be the random variable denoted as x be a random variable, that is obviously continuous random variable which denoted the radius of the circle, which denoted the radius of a circle. Okay, therefore area is, what is the area? Area of circle is pi x square, because x is the radius, so area is pi x square. So we have to find mean of the this pi x square, that is e of pi x square. We have to find e of pi x square. Therefore mean equal to e of pi x square. Okay, so pi is constant, so pi is outside of this, and e of x square, that is pi into, what is the range of the probability density function? 1 to 2. So directly we write 1 to 2 small x square fx dx, fx value 1. So okay, first we write the minus infinity to infinity x square fx dx. Okay, this equal to range, we know that only for 1 to 2 is the one value of fx is 1, and बाकी interval में तो the value is 0. Okay, so we write pi into 1 to 2 x square, fx का value is 1 dx, so pi x cube by 3 1 to 2, that is pi 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 7 pi by 3. This is the mean. So mean is 7 pi by 3. And what is the variance? We know that variance equal to, we know that variance of x, variance of pi x square equal to e of, okay, we write here also. Okay, no problem. So what is the variance? So therefore variance of pi x square equal to e of pi x square whole square minus e of pi x square. Right? Variance of x, we know that variance of x equal to e of x square minus e of x whole square. Okay, here the value of x is pi x square, because we have to find the area of the circle. Variance of the area of the circle, is pi x square. So variance of pi x square, that is e of pi x whole square minus e of pi x square. Okay, that is this is the pi square e of x to the power 4 and minus this value is known 7 pi by 3, that is 7 pi by 3 whole square. Okay, that is pi square 1 to 2 x to the power 4 and fx value 1 dx minus 7 pi by 3 whole square, that is x to the power 5, that is pi square x to the power 5 by 5 minus 49 pi square by 9 is equal to pi square 32 by 5 minus 1 by 5, that is 32 minus 1, 31 by 5 minus 49 by 9 pi square, that is pi square common ले लो, that is 45, LCM is 45, 9 12 to 79 minus 2 to 5 4 9 into 49 into 5, 9 into 5 45, 4 20 24, that is सही कर रहा हूँ 31 into 9 49 into 5 5 4 पूरी 245 तो 245 माइनस कर दो 4 34. ओके, तो 34 by 35 pi square. This is the variance. This is the variance and this is the mean. Okay, so you note the what is the PDF is given and how what is the find to what to be found find the mean and variance. This is the example. The radius of the fx is given and find the area of the circle. To find the mean and variance of the area of the circle. So please note these things. This is easy. Okay. Chalo. Good night. Bye. Sure.